Are you tired of feeling lost and confused when it comes to the stock market? Do you want to learn how to make informed decisions and increase your profits? Well, my friend, you're in luck because I have the perfect solution for you.
I am excited to introduce you to my comprehensive online course on the stock market. In this course, we will cover everything you need to know about equity, future, and option trading. From watching daily market trends to analyzing sector performance, we'll dive deep into the strategies and techniques that will make you a savvy investor.
You'll learn how to identify the right time to buy and sell stocks, how to hedge your investments, and how to read technical charts like a pro. We'll cover everything from intraday trading techniques to short-term trading in blue-chip and mid-cap stocks.
And that's not all. We'll also delve into fundamental analysis, including shareholding patterns, EPS, pay ratio, beta value, and book value. We'll teach you how to use technical screeners and tools like Bollinger Bands, Trendline, MUCT, and RSI indicators. Plus, we'll show you how to identify and interpret different candlestick patterns.
But we won't stop there. We'll also explore mutual funds, portfolio management, and online portfolio maintenance. We'll analyze past IPOs and public issues and give you the tools you need to make informed decisions about long-term investments.
With our course, you'll gain access to exclusive websites like Way Wealth, Money Control, and Earnometer V from Direct, and learn how to use them to your advantage. You'll discover how to manage your total finances, including FDs, gold, property, and insurance. And we'll provide you with a return calculator and personal finance tips to help you maximize your profits.
But the best part? Our course is filled with real case histories, option observation projects, and trade analysis with contract notes. You'll get hands-on experience repairing trades in equity, cash, future, and options, and learn how to choose the right stocks for your portfolio and profit booking.
So what are you waiting for? Join our course today and start your journey towards becoming a successful stock market investor.
Detailed list of course content is here.
Introduction to comprehensive online course on the stock market.
Covering everything about equity, future, and option trading.
Daily market trend analysis.
Sector performance analysis. Strategies and techniques for becoming a savvy investor. Identifying the right time to buy and sell stocks.
Hedging investments.
Reading technical charts like a pro.
Intraday trading techniques.
Short-term trading in blue-chip and mid-cap stocks. Fundamental analysis. Shareholding patterns. EPS. PE ratio.
Beta value.
Book value. Using technical screeners and tools.
Bollinger Bands.
Trendline. MACD. RSI indicators.
Identifying and interpreting different candlestick patterns.
Exploring mutual funds. Portfolio management.
Online portfolio maintenance.
Analyzing past IPOs and public issues. Making informed decisions about long-term investments. Access to exclusive websites like Way2Wealth, Money Control, and Earnometer/FemDirect.
Using websites to your advantage.
Managing total finances, including gold, property, and insurance.
Return calculator.
Personal finance tips for maximizing profits.
Real case histories. Option observation projects.
Trade analysis with contract notes.
Hands-on experience repairing trades in equity, cash. Hands-on experience repairing trades in future and options. Choosing the right stocks for your portfolio. Profit booking.
Course designed for beginners and experienced investors.
Course suitable for both part-time and full-time investors. Course designed to be completed at your own pace. Course includes quizzes and assessments.
Course provides a certificate of completion.
Course available online, accessible from anywhere in the world. Course taught by experienced stock market professionals. Course updated regularly to reflect changes in the market. Course provides ongoing support to students. Course includes a community of fellow investors to connect with.
Join the course today and start your journey towards becoming a successful stock market investor.